Hi, I'm Holly with Outdoor Furniture Plus, and I'm here with Walter, who is with Oxford Garden, and we are in their showroom here in Kentucky. And we wanted to feature for you today a collection that has been a tried and true top collection, not only for us, but for Oxford Garden in their collection for over 10 years. And the Travira collection is very diverse and has become a much bigger line than it originally started out as. But it doesn't matter because you will find a piece that you will love in this collection. So, Walter, tell us about the evolution of the Travira.
Okay, so this Travira set is both a little bit traditional and also transitional. So you can pair it with a lot of different types of furniture. And this uses our tech wood. It's a 39-inch square tabletop. You can put side chairs or armchairs with it. But the tech wood we've got is, we base it off of traditional teak, which we have worked with and we do still work with. But we wanted something more durable. Or less maintenance, and so we developed what we call a natural tech wood, which has a little bit more brown, like it's a new teak. And then teak does age, it grays. So we have something called vintage tech wood, and that has a little bit more gray in it. So it gives you some options. You can pick what you want, and all of our Travira products have either the natural or the vintage tech wood.
Right.
So that's and it's ADA compliant. It has, most of our tables have umbrella holes that can be hidden as needed. Ta-da!
There we go.
See, magic. Anyway, so these things, this is what our #1 seller is, because it's a classic and it's well thought out.
Very good. Thank you so much. And if you have any other questions about Oxford Garden or their Travira collection, please feel free to give us a call.